feel comfortable and relaxed every time you walk into your home. The flooring you choose for each room plays a huge part in giving you that feeling.
Choosing the right floor for your home is important not only for the aesthetics, but for the durability that's going to fit your lifestyle. Now, if you have kids and a dog running around, we're going to recommend you choose a floor with a wire brush finish. And the wire brushing removes the soft grain from the floor and leaves the hard grain on the surface. And this is going to result in less scratches and less wear and tear in those high traffic areas.
DG Floor Coverings is a third-generation family-run business run by myself, my two sons, Sean and Chad. We specialize in every aspect of the customer's hardwood flooring needs, from patching and refinishing of existing wood floors to pre-finished flooring, custom installations, and sanding and finishing on site. My son Chad is in charge of the color department, and that requires the use of reactive stains and oils that are required to achieve the colors that are most popular today.
We use a lot more engineered flooring, and that could be engineered pre-finished or unfinished. Unfinished meaning it would be sanded, stained, and finished in place. Pre-finished, it comes the way it's installed. Now, the biggest misconception we have today with this product versus a solid product is that customers believe that the engineered is not real hardwood. And in fact, it's very much real hardwood. Engineered plywood on the bottom in layers, and then has a slice of your solid hardwood on the top. And that gives you room to refinish the floors throughout the lifespan that they're in your home.
When a customer comes through the doors, we start out with finding out what their needs are, what their expectations are, and kind of go from there.
We think that communication with the homeowner throughout the entire process is really important. We need to and like to educate the homeowner on the product that they're using, the product that will best fit their home, lifestyle, and we maintain that relationship with the client, architect, contractor, customer throughout the entire job.
One of the first things a customer should look for in a salesperson is that how responsive they are to the questions that are being asked. The more information that is provided to the customer, the more confident they are going to feel in that salesperson. That's going to make the whole process from start to finish run a little bit smoother.
Ready to fall in love with your home again through new floors? Visit their website, dgfloorcoverings.com, or watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.